Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove shop product category slug from WooCommerce URL. This is incredibly useful if you want cleaner, more professional looking URLs for your online store, making them easier to share and more SEO friendly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site so you can access all the necessary settings and plugins. Once you're logged in, it's time to start removing that lengthy slug from your WooCommerce URLs. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can browse and add new functionality to your WooCommerce store. On the plugins page, you'll see a wide range of available plugins that you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here's where we'll find the tool that solves our URL problem. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Permers. From the search results, look specifically for Permers Permalink Manager for WooCommerce. This plugin is designed specifically to help you customize and clean up your WooCommerce URLs. Click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers to ensure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically. Once it does, you'll notice a new option has been added to your left navigation menu labeled Permers. Click on this new option to access the plugin's settings page. This is where the magic happens and you'll be able to configure your URL structure exactly how you want it. Now from the Permers settings page, we're going to remove the product category slug from your URLs. Look for the section labeled Products. Within this section, you'll notice 4 different options for how your product URLs can be structured. These options include full product path, product slug with primary category, and product slug. Click on Product Slug. This option will display only the product URL and remove the category from the URL entirely, giving you that streamlined look you're after. Once you've selected this option, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Make sure you wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved before navigating away from this page. And that's it. You've successfully removed the shop product category slug from your WooCommerce URLs, making them shorter and more user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.